Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be installing 7-pin trailer harness connector or 7-way socket on this 2026 Porsche Macan equipped with trailer hitch. This procedure will be similar to different model years of Porsche Macan equipped with the trailer hitch. When they come from the factory, they don't have this type of socket where you can plug in your trailer harness. There is wiring, but it's covered behind the plastic cover that needs to be removed and the socket installed. This socket is made by Pollak and the part number is 11-893P. It can be purchased from Porsche dealer or online. To remove the plastic cover, you will need to use T25 Torx bit. You'll need a screwdriver or a screw gun. Now, to disconnect that wire harness from the plastic cover, you'll need to remove white plastic tab. To do that, you will need some kind of small, long, flat screwdriver. This type of socket allows you to plug in 7-pin harness from your trailer, but if your trailer is equipped with a 4-pin plug, then you'll need to use this type of adapter. Using T25 Torx bit, unscrew 4 bolts holding this plastic cover. To get better access to that clip that needs to be removed, turn this cover this way and pull it out. As we pull it out, you can see this clip that needs to be removed. Push it up, and now using a screwdriver or a pick, push this tab. That's it. After you remove this plastic clip, push this tab and pull the cover out. Now the socket can be installed by pushing it into the wire harness. You will hear a click when it's fully engaged. If you need to remove this socket, you just need to press this black tab. Now you can push it in to its position and rotate it and reinstall 4 screws. Using T25 Torx bit, secure 4 screws. I finished the installation of the 7-way socket. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.